Welcome to TMI Truck and Equipment in Norfolk, Virginia. What we have today is the Isuzu NPRHD. This is a enclosed landscape truck. It has a 18-foot body with a 44-inch wide curbside door with a step. The interior flat floor of the body is 14 feet long. The interior height is 85 inches and the width inside is 92 inches. You have the two shelving units at the front of the body, along with two tie-down points in the floor. The sides have 2 rows of E-track and full plywood lining, so you can easily mount your equipment. The rear of the body has 2 tie-down points on the floor. The 4-foot dovetail has the grating on it to give you more traction, and then you have the exterior dual spring-loaded ramps. The rear axle of this truck is 14,500 pounds of capacity. This is a gas-powered truck, so you have no diesel emission system to deal with. The interior has the seat protectors on it. This is a 6.6 liter gas GMC engine with an Allison automatic transmission. This truck is in stock, ready for immediate delivery.